Still battling that nagging cough? What if I told you the cure could be hiding right in your kitchen? Number 1. Ginger. This powerful spice soothes the throat, fights irritation, and clears mucus almost instantly. Number 2. Turmeric. With its strong anti-inflammatory power, turmeric calms the airways and boosts your immune system against infections. And number 3. Black pepper. Combined with honey, it breaks down phlegm and gives quick relief from coughing fits. Mix these spices into warm tea, and you may find your cough disappearing in minutes. Natural, simple, and effective. Follow for more life-changing health tips.